Hi everybody, today I'm just going to show you a non-alcoholic version to a mulled wine. So just have it for the kids, or if you just want a non-alcoholic beverage for the festive season. I've just got cranberry juice and orange juice in the pan, and then you just add some ginger, ground ginger. In fact, if you want to do it a little bit more fiery and more fresh, you can always add true and fresh ginger, but I don't have that at the moment, so go with my vintage vintage ideas. Make do with what we've got. Then we've got, just put some cinnamon in it. You can use cinnamon sticks to infuse the juice, or ground cinnamon. Now I'm just making a mess. And then you just have some nutmeg as well. I try and balance it out with flavours that I enjoy, and then you just mix it. If you wish, you can add a few cloves, not too many because it's quite an overpowering flavour, just to infuse in the warm juice. And you just warm it up in the pan so the flavours will infuse the juice like so. And just leave it like that to bubble and bubble a little bit, just so all the flavours combined, and that's pretty much it. I'm just going to talk about my dress sense today. I'm a bit cold, so I've got my reindeer dressing gown on today, and getting into the spirit of the festivities, I suppose. I've got my high waist trousers on. I love them because they've got like gold thread going through them, and I'm wearing my mustard yellow top that I've got, which was my nana's, so I feel very, very comfortable in it. As you can see, it's a short sleeved and I just love it. It has shoulder pads inside it as well, and I'm wearing a vintage necklace. So, and I've got my hair tied into a hair scarf, so that is what I go with today. Something quirky but comfortable, yet still got a retro vibe going on, and that is it.